monster monsoon rains. The catastrophe that we are facing, the devastation that the people of Pakistan are facing, for which they are paying a heavy price in their lives, in the form of their lives and their livelihoods, is not a catastrophe of their making. The climate change issue that affects the world today, which has caused these monster monsoons, are the result of the industrialization of far bigger countries than Pakistan. The people of Pakistan contribute less than 1% to the global carbon footprint. And while this crisis is not solely of our making, surely the response to this crisis must also be a global response. And with the help of the United Nations Secretary General, we look forward to working with the world, with the global community, to build back better, to rehabilitate and reconstruct the lives of our fellow citizens so that they can withstand extreme climate shock like these going forward. So once again, Secretary General, sir, we're incredibly grateful for your time and for your visit, and we'd like for you to share a few words with the Pakistani.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the media. We have declared war on nature. And as we see here in Pakistan, nature is striking back with devastating consequences. Climate change is supercharging the destruction of our planet. I've seen many humanitarian disasters in the world, but I have never seen climate carnage on this scale. I have simply no words to describe what I've seen today. A flooded area that is 3 times the total area of my own country, Portugal. Over 1,300 lives were lost, tens of millions of people homeless, 1/3 of this vast country submerged, livestock and crops wiped out. But behind these numbers lie unquantifiable depths of human suffering. But I've also seen great heights of human endurance and heroism, from emergency workers to ordinary people helping their neighbors. Of course, we can quote numbers that are appalling, but this is a question about people that suffer. The families that have lost their houses, or members of the family.